I'm Bridget Artis, and I'm owner, author, and designer of Born Again Vintage. And today we're at Born Again Vintage, the Collective in Montclair, New Jersey. And I'm going to show you how to do a DIY fall shirt for kids. First, you take the t-shirt that you want to cut up, and then you place it and you cut out a bib shape outline in the top of the shirt. And the shape could be any way you want. It could be squared, it could be rounded, it's up to you. And you cut it out as deep as you want it, and the same in the back. It also could be any shape that you like. Once you cut out the shell of the top of the t-shirt, you place that shell on top of the shirt, the button-down shirt you would like to use to fill it in. And when you do that, you use that as a marker to know how much to cut. But you're going to cut about 2 inches more than what the bib is. So once you place the excess on top of the button-down shirt, you cut around it, giving yourself 2 extra inches. And once you have the 2 separate pieces, then you put the 2 pieces together. And when you put the 2 pieces together, you put them together and you start to hand stitch or sewing machine, it's up to you, a top stitch all the way around to bring the 2 pieces together. And then you have a DIY fall shirt for kids.